Okay, let me show you another video with vocabulary words. I just did a basic setup right there with a little bit of random generated going on. As you can see here, I have an actor up the top, and all it does is display the definition. This actor just literally generates random numbers. So if I click it, it gives me a new definition, and also the ones down here all change. Okay, if you'll notice, giving a player, this is the risk versus reward, and this is triangularity. If you'll notice, element added, this is chance. My correct answer always comes in this first place, so I'm still working on a way right now to get this jumbled up a little bit. The only thing I've done so far is when I click them, all three of these change, and in theory, they all three are different. That one just disappeared for a minute. I was kind of curious of why that disappeared. I was a little shocked, but all right, it looks like it's okay now. All right, so again, sadly, I've got this right answer here and the other one's there. So let's go look and see what I've done here real quick. So we're going to go to definition, pretty easy one here. Just taking a look at what table is it. Again, table cell value is found in the functions menu. And then your first thing is the table, your second thing is the row, and the last thing is the column. We're going to put our random generator in the row because all of our different 16 rows are up and down. And then the columns 2 means definition. So this one will always show definition. If we'll take a look at vocab 1, the one that matches it all the time, you'll see the only real difference in this, again, from the functions menu, table cell value. Again, here's the table, here's that same RNG, and here's 1 though. So the only difference is this is showing the word. That's why that first one called vocab 1, it always shows the right word. So vocab 2, here's the difference in it. It basically says if the first temporary number equals the RNG, re-randomize it. 1 through 16, and then show the value. And again, it shows game temp here in the row value, and it shows 1, which means the word instead of the definition. And I'll show you click me real quick. Click me just says the words click me, and then when touch is pressed, it randomizes all three of these things, RNG, temp 1, and temp 2. And last but not least, temp 3 did something a little different. It says if temp 2, this vocab 3, if temp 2 is equal to RNG or because of the any, or it equals game temp, then re-randomize it and then show it. And then if we show it again, it says game temp 2 here in the row column, and it says in the 1 here in the column. And column 1 is always the words. So that's how it runs. I'll work on some other things for you, and I'll make another vid, or if some of you have some specific things you'd like to do, I'll take a look at those. But again, all we do is click, and we get some different choices showing up here, and they would maybe have to choose multiple choice. That's good for today. Thanks.